In this lecture, we will generate a couple of outputs that will make the orthomosaic and the contours meaningful to open with AutoCAD. Let's start with the orthomosaic. We need to create a TFW file so that the orthomosaic can be georeferenced and scaled correctly in AutoCAD. So click the raster, go to projections, and click on extract projection. Select the input file for which the projection needs to be extracted. So I will select the orthomosaic and click on OK. Click OK again. So it creates a world file in the same folder as the orthomosaic. Let's right click on it and open it with TextPad. You will find the X and Y pixels, rotational information, and world coordinates stored here. Now you need to change the extension of this file to TFW. So let's do that by renaming it. Click Yes. I had already one created, so it just made a duplicate of that. So let's come back to QGIS. Click Cancel. Now let's work on making an AutoCAD compatible contour file. So click on Plugins and go to Grass. Now this is the reason I asked you to open QGIS with Grass. Click on New Map Set. Choose a location for the database directory. Click Next. Create a new location. Call it Grass Contours. Click Next. Don't make any changes to the coordinate reference system. Click Next. Click Next again without making any changes to the extents. Name the new map set contour_mapset. Click Next and finish. Now let's open Grass Tools. First we need to import vector drawings into Grass Tools. So search for Import Vector. Click on Import Loaded Vector. Select the layer. Name the output vector map as Contour Vector and click Run. Once the run is successfully finished, click on View Output. Here is the contour vector output layer. Let's close the previous contour layer and only this one appears. So let's create a vector layer with height details. That is, you are converting the vector from 2D to 3D. Search for 3D. Let's extend this window a bit. Select on the option that performs transformation of 2D vector features to 3D with height based on attributes. Select the input vector contour vector. Give the name to the output vector map as contour_vector_3D. Now you want to select the column with the elevation values, so select ELEV and click Run. Click on View Output. Now you finally have the contour vector file with the height value attribute. You can right click on the layer, Save As, select AutoCAD DXF as the format. Select the file name location. I'll name it as test123DXF. Don't make any changes to the coordinate system and click OK. This creates a DXF file which can now be opened with AutoCAD software. This line string file represents the DXF file that you just created. So let's go to the folder and you can see the DXF file created. your shape file is already there. We'll show you how to post-process this DXF file in the AutoCAD section. So these are the two steps that are needed to create files to make the outputs meaningful with AutoCAD.